Hey there, and welcome back to Daily Speak. I'm Alex, and today we're going to learn how to talk on the phone in English. Talking on the phone can feel hard. You can't see the other person's face. You can't read their lips. So today, I'll teach you the most useful phone phrases. I'll show you a conversation, explain it, and then you can repeat the key lines with me. Let's begin. Part 1. Answering the phone. First, let's learn how to answer the phone. When you answer, you can say, "Hello?" or "Hi, this is Alex." In an office, you might say, "Good morning, this is Daily Speak. How can I help you?" Now, repeat these after me. Hello? Hello? Hi, this is Alex. Hi, this is Alex. How can I help you? How can I help you? Great job. Part 2. Making a call. Now, let's learn how to start a call. When you call someone, you can say, "Hi, this is Alex. Is Sarah there?" Or, "Hello, may I speak to Sarah, please?" Repeat after me. Hi, this is Alex. Hi, this is Alex. Is Sarah there? Is Sarah there? May I speak to Sarah, please? May I speak to Sarah, please? Wonderful. Let's hear a short conversation. Hello? Hi, this is Alex. May I speak to Sarah, please? Sure, one moment, please. Now repeat the key line. May I speak to Sarah, please? May I speak to Sarah, please? Excellent. Part 3. When someone is not available. Sometimes the person is not there. Here's what you can say. I'm sorry, she's not here right now. I'm sorry, she's not here right now. Can I take a message? Can I take a message? Can I call you back? Can I call you back? Could you call back later? Could you call back later? Great work. Let's hear the conversation. May I speak to Sarah? I'm sorry, she's not here right now. Can I take a message? Yes, please tell her Alex called. Now repeat. Please tell her Alex called. Please tell her Alex called. Beautiful. Part 4. Problems on the call. Sometimes there are problems on the call. Maybe the line is bad. Here's what you can say. Sorry, I can't hear you. Sorry, I can't hear you. You're breaking up. You're breaking up. Can you speak up, please? Can you speak up, please? Could you repeat that? Could you repeat that? Let me call you back. Let me call you back. Fantastic. Part 5. Asking someone to wait. Now, how to ask someone to wait. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Just a moment, please. Just a moment, please.
Can you hold, please?
Can you hold, please? I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Great job. Part 6. Leaving a voicemail. Sometimes no one answers and you leave a voicemail. Here's what you can say. Hi, this is Alex. Hi, this is Alex. Please call me back. Please call me back. My number is 555-1234. My number is 555-1234. Thanks. Bye. Thanks. Bye. Wonderful. Let's hear a full voicemail. Hi, Sarah. This is Alex. I'm calling about our meeting. Please call me back when you can. My number is 555-1234. Thanks. Bye. Part 7. Ending a call. Finally, let's learn how to end a call politely. Thanks for calling. Thanks for calling. It was nice talking to you. It was nice talking to you. Talk to you soon. Talk to you soon. Have a great day. Have a great day. Bye for now. Bye for now. Amazing work. Wow, you did such a great job today. Now you know how to talk on the phone in English, from hello to goodbye. I'm really proud of you. Remember, the more you practice, the easier it gets. Next time your phone rings, try answering in English.